Hey, what's up, Vibes family? Welcome back to the channel. And I just want to big up all my subscribers, them saying, yeah, bless up on yourself, cause I give me the support and thing. Today we have an interesting video, people, so I want to check it out. But before I jump in the video, I just want to know, say, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and turn it on all. And after the video, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below, okay, people? Yeah, so I want to know, this was a police chase that's happened in Jamaica, in the streets of Kingston, in the Maxfield Avenue area. Seeing people, that's where Jamaica Vibes is from, and that's why I'm showing this video, people. So I want to say, just big up all of the people in my Maxfield, big up all of the people in my Waltham, Kingston 13, see? Bless upon yourself, yeah. And people, I just want to check out the video right about now, because we're not wasting no time, see?
Right, license plate number 4051, Hotel Zulu. The black Mazda refusing to stop. Let's hear this. Let's hear this. She's up. Right, police emergency and all units on the road. And public order is on pursuit of a black Mazda motor car 4051 Hotel Zulu. Disobey the stop sign and the police come on. Now along Chisholm Avenue heading out to Maxfield Avenue. Trying to elude the police, driving recklessly. Going on to Maxfield now from Chisholm.
Right the road, check point. You following the transition?
Went back on Chisholm from Maxfield, went into the plaza, U-turn. She's having us round in the plaza. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move!
Don't move, driver!
Don't move!
Driver, don't move! Don't move!
Don't move, don't move, don't move! Come out of the vehicle! 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 Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle! Come out of the vehicle! Plaza name. The plaza name. What a plaza your name, Ella? What? What plaza?
Johnson Plaza.
Johnson?
Yeah.
I've been through there, along with 4 other rounds here. This is in the Almonstown area, Federal Drive, where we had triple murder. We're going to revisit that too,
Make your break there. Right, police emergency. Public order is currently at Johnson's Plaza, Maxfield Avenue. The person tried to elude us, went to the plaza. She was blocked by a civilian and boxed in by the civilian and the service vehicle. The woman reversed into the service vehicle, causing damages. She is refusing to come out of the vehicle right now. We're currently at Johnson's Plaza.
Johnson Plaza, noted.
Well, there you have it, my people. Yeah, as you can see, this driving was real reckless, real dangerous. Anything could have happened. A pedestrian could have gotten hit. Car could have crashed and probably people lose their life. But give thanks and nothing happened. And the wickedest thing, it was a young lady driving the car, people. And she really put on some reckless driving and thing. But people, let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. You feel me? And I just say big up all my subscribers. Share the video, give the video a thumbs up, and with that said, I'll catch you in the next video.